Up for sale, 1969 El Camino. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 El Camino, finished in blue with blue interior. 350, turbo 350 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC, 12-bolt rear, and a Z-code California car. As always, I'm going to go around it, put anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course, we will start here in the front as always. And just going to go straight to the front bumper here. Front and rear chrome bumpers are like new condition. And you can see that as I go around it here. No pitting on there, no dents. A little bit of a compound here during the buffing, but super nice. Trim and the grille in the front, bezels, whatnot, looks super nice. Actually, this is kind of cool. This is a T3 headlight. I always like to point that out when I notice them. It appears to have all original metal, which is a bonus and kind of expected. I love the blue. It's got that beautiful little pearl in there. A couple little marks here. Another little one there. This lines up nice. The hood lines up nice as well. You do see a couple little more here. Two more there. And I know there's one here. It's got a new windshield. So it's got the like a built-in sun visor kind of protection or whatever you would call that. Rally wheels with the white letter radial tires. It's got a tonneau cover on the bed. Let me pop the hood here. This thing runs and drives awesome. 350, I believe it's a crate motor. It's got an aluminum intake on there. Holly carb, mild cam as well, so it sounds really good. I gotta stop and move the car. I had to move out of the way. Anyway, where was I? I said mild cam. I said it has headers with dual exhaust, which sounds really nice. It's turnkey, fires right up. The brake booster master cylinder are brand new, and I did say it has front disc brakes. It's a factory AC car that you can see, and it has a newer compressor actually, which is nice. Little added canister here for vacuum for the braking system, power steering there, aluminum water pump that I see. I mean, when I see this is a little more expensive of a bracket. Nothing crazy to point out though. Just trying to think. Trim tags in place. 1-year-old battery. You got the disconnect there. Yeah, so I'm gonna fire it up now. Let you guys hear it run. It has a super nice exhaust on it. Normally I would take the sticker off, but being a California car, I thought, you know, leave it on there. It's there in Texas. I've been to the one in Texas near Dallas. Anyway, here, watch this. Added gauges there. Tack. I love the steering wheel that they put in. Great choice, padded dash. The 12-bolt, it's a Posi 373 ratio in the back. It's got an aftermarket fan, probably better cooling. Okay. And like always, we'll go down the driver's side of the car. It was family owned for 20 years. It was the brother-in-law's and then the brother. Well, I guess they're technically brother-in-law, then brother-in-law. Little guy right there. But he's been doing a lot of things to it over the years. I know it's not 20-year-old paint. The first brother-in-law had it painted. And then you could tell the chrome bumpers were just done not too long ago. The brake booster master cylinder, so they've been maintaining it along the way. I mean, these are in excellent condition here. You can see how nice this lines up. This panel there, probably the worst section on the car is this panel here. There's some chips, little crack in here, some little things like that, some more stone chips there. But then going back, other than that one there, really nice. I mean, this fitment is sweet. There are some little stone chips on that edge down below. Of course, as you get in, maybe you nick it or you drag your shoe on it. But there's no cracks in the glass, as you see. You can see the VIN there with a Z for California. Was it Fremont or something like that? I'm probably wrong. No bubbling in there. Let's look at the back window. Back window's super nice. Tonneau cover's in excellent condition, but anyway, let's read the top. And then we're gonna hop in. I notice here there's some marking behind, like probably from grabbing it and stuff like that. And then look how nice this door lines up with this guard on the edge, a little stone chip there. And then this is mint. I know you see a little bit of white, like some buffing compound in there, but this is freaking mint. This rocker panel's nice. That's nice attention to detail there. And then you open it up, and right here, no Bondo, nothing like that. That's original. Newer weather stripping in there as well. Nice door panels here. Little speaker put in there as well. It's got an aftermarket stereo. Nice finish. Blue carpet, blue floor mats front and back. You could actually make out the jack and the tire iron there. Seat belts. And I really love what they did with the bench seat with that pattern in there. Very nice. There's no rips on the seat. It's got El Camino on the floor mats. I already kind of showed you that. AC controls, radio. Original paint on the dash, so like there's a little bit of patina here, but it's original. I kind of like that stuff. Nice fit, really nice finish in there. And again, you look, that hem is mint. No repairs there. Dome light works. No rips in the headliner. Nice sail panels as well. Visors look nice. It's got the disc brake pedal as well. Now I've showed you here, so we're gonna go over the rear wheel. You can see like a little chip here on this edge there. Another little nick there. I like this lower body trim though. No bubbling. Little mark right there, another little guy right there. And again, I had mentioned the back bumper is also new, and again, you can tell by looking at it. Nice exhaust tips here. Let's take a peek. Yeah, stainless exhaust. 12 bolt. And there will be undercarriage pictures on the ad, of course. I know there's like a little blemish here, another little one here, one there. Let's pop it open. So I'll give you a little view of the bed. It's a nice bed. It's painted blue to match, of course. Again, I do a picture of this whole cover all the way off, so I'm not going to do that now. But that's what the bed looks like. Right here, let me look at this. It's nice in here as well. And it's nice here, but I know that they repaired in here and over here. Actually, no, that might be original. That one looks like it was repaired. I feel like that's got to be the place to go. But then I'll show you this quickly. There you go. Trying to block the shade. then I will cover that back up later on. I know there's like a little stone chip right there. They're like little tiny little bubbles right in this corner here, very small. Couple chips on that edge. It's the same exact spot I had it on the El Camino 69. I had it a couple of years ago actually. And I know what you're thinking, we're not on the pedestal, because now with the winter sun and timing, I don't get good photos there very often. Two little guys there. And again, nice finish here, smooth down, and same deal going forward. And you can see how nice that fender and door line up there. And again, how nice this door lines up here to the quarter. No bubbling. Nice here as well. Weather stripping as well. Nice finish in there. And then you can see there that door as well, that corner's mint. And here's the seat. Again, this is the reflection from the window. Oops, almost just fell over. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. Just trying to think if I'm forgetting anything. 350 trans. Power steering, power front disc brakes. 12-bolt Posi 373 rear. And this one, a little, well, less chips, but more stone chips on that lower edge. Much nicer than the other side shows. Tires are nice. These are really good. 350 badge. And then like a little mark there, and then you can see a little indent right there. Very, very small though. We are going to fire it up again, get in it, drive it, show it drives. And yeah, thank you for watching. And here we go. Oh, you think it's got a little bit of like a stall converter, don't you? Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. Just right.
Yeah.
Just to make it fun.
Oh, it sounds amazing from inside the car.
Not a rattle,
No.
not a vibration, nothing. Okay, listen.
I'm sure she's going the wrong way. This looks like a new piece of trim, or newer. And I love the padded dash.
When they did the interior. Giving a little boost, you know?
Yeah.
Little fish down there.
You come around the turn going too fast.